Okay, I am now hungry. And before it is going to expire, I'm going to cook it now in the oven. So yeah, it says 20 minutes. So by 9:30. Cook already. Yeah, it's actually overcooked, but it's alright. But I forgot to switch on the rice, so it's at the moment it's still cooking. Yeah, it is good outside now. Sunny. I'm not a perfect person. I never needed sorry that I hurt you. Yo, it is now 5 minutes to 5 o'clock. And I am tempted to go out, but I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to cook some food. Actually, I'm going to cook the chicken again. Actually, I'm going to recook it. These are chicken cubes. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Again, we're not going to do pull-ups, chin-up today, because I still am feeling lazy. Yeah. Today I finished at the same 2 o'clock. It is very cloudy. Actually, there is like a mist. It's very tiny water. The afternoon. This is how it is at the moment. There are yeah, like 1 2 3 5 people. Just 5. I'm actually eating this one. This is Uishi. Oh, look at this. I bring this because I thought it is going to be sunny, and I was planning to sit down there. Yeah, I am supposed to go relaxing in there, but the weather is like this. Oh, look at this. This is how it is. You know, the water, the ocean, the sea, it's like a mirror of the sky. You notice the color is just like that, similar to the color of the sky. We are going to get some money, cash, $250 for the house rent today. So yeah, I got this the $250 for my house rent every week. Oh, let me show you this. You see that house? The price of that is $660,000. Yeah. And this one $675. Those are the prices of the house in here. Yeah, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Yeah, 2:30 when I sign out. Yeah, because I finished to make the burger before going home, because I realized it late when I was about to go. I saw that, oh, burger is running low. We are going straight to the house. We're not going to the town center today because we are trying to catch up with the video editing and uploading the video. Yeah, I am 1 week late. Yeah, these things happens when I am with the other guys, when I am with the friends. Because when I am with friends, I can't use my phone. I can't do editing. Yeah, I'm totally with them. We are home. It's already 2:50 and I'm preparing my meal. Cooking the rice and I'm going to cook this. Yeah, this is the leftover of yeah, so basically the news is saying that it's been 38 days that there is no local cases here in New South Wales. That's nice. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. I finished at 2:06 when I signed out. We are not busy. Yeah, the last thing that I did is the flatbread. If you've seen my video before, I was making a flatbread in the house. It's just flour, a little yeast, and water and salt, and yeah, it's the bread. Yeah, it's a good taste. And today is my last day at work, and it is going to be 12 days of my vacation leave. It was actually not in the plan. It's just that we are too many in the kitchen these days. So chef decided to give me a vacation. Look at that, it's very quiet this time. There's no car, no sound of the cars, no sounds of the birds. The water is also very calm and peaceful. If it is always like this, it's lonely. Oh, we're going to buy first fish and chips. It is a little humid today. Yeah, and the sky is blinding because of the white clouds. Combination of blue sky and the white clouds. The previous 2 days was really cloudy, like almost raining. Okay, got my fish and chips. Yeah, this is not the kid one, it's the regular size. Look how it is, very calm, quiet. This place is going to be really beautiful if it is frozen, yeah, frozen water, similar to those in Europe. Yeah. Yeah, it feels dangerous, but yeah, there is something like that exists in a European country, in America, in the snowy country. Even if there are some people in there, still it feels quiet in here. I don't know, maybe because of the temperature, the weather. Yeah, it feels really quiet. But I still have a lot of French fries in here, chips. Yeah, I'm not going to finish it. I'm very full already. Yeah, I saw from upstairs that they're going to bring that down. Yeah, we're going to observe that. Oh, it's actually down already. Okay, we are now here in Albura Marina and Nelson Bay Foreshore. And we're going to check if the money, the $50 that I put, are still there. So this is how it is at the moment. Yeah, and let's check if the money is still there. Oh, it's not anymore. Not anymore. As you can see, it's really dry. So someone took it already, which is good. Nice. Yeah, I hope he is happy that he found that money. Yeah, that's it. I want to go home now. I want to have a cup of coffee.